Measure the area up and around the window and door, allowing at least a 6-inch overlap in the areas shown in pink, and cut the screen. Once the screen is cut, place it over the door and fold the screen over the door top and the edge so that it will shut in the door when you close the door. Secure this fold over with duct tape and also fold it where the window slants down like shown in the diagram. Once you have the pocket made and taped on the top edge and the slanted edge, the next thing to do is tape your magnets in place. I used 2 on the outside and 1 around the curve that actually shuts in the door. If you look at the photograph, you'll see where I put that magnet. That's on there so that when you go to close the door, that keeps that secure. So once you slip the screen over the window, open the door, slip it over the top of the door, and close the door, then your screen is secure. You tape the magnets from the front of the screen. So you lay the magnet on the screen and put the tape over the magnet. And that way, when you apply it to your door, it attaches to the frame of the door below the window glass. It's easier to put the screens on with the glass closed. You can open and close your glass with the screens on because it doesn't interfere with the glass moving at all. If it's too long there, once you close your door, if it's too long and sticking out, you can trim it down. You know, this stuff doesn't ravel, so you don't have to stitch it or sew it. You could trim it a little straighter than I trimmed mine if you want to.